What's up, my brothers and sisters, chilling at KHC Aquarium. Look at these beautiful guys right here, man. Amazing. What's up, my brothers and sisters, chilling at KHC Aquarium. Look at these beautiful guys right here, man. Amazing. Look at these fishes, man. These are the type of fish you see in the aquarium. Brooklyn Aquarium. Look at these beautiful guys, man. Let's come over here real quick. Amazing. No, this is a monster, man. Monster. Some nice black belts. These monsters right here, beautiful. What up, your boy E-Money Cichlids. Happy 4th of July, y'all. You already know I got them stars on my chest. That's how we do it. The dream team. We back like cook crack. Your boy E-Money Cichlids on deck. Can't stop. Won't stop. New pickups. Went to KHC Aquarium and to Monsters Aquarium. So picked up this beautiful little frag here from KHC. Is going at my saltwater setup. Obviously, you know, you can't see nothing there. It's a beautiful piece. Picked up these two beauties. Check these guys out, y'all. Check out these beauties. Cool dudes to add to the collection. It's like a albino dragon blood peacock, and this is red empress. He was nice and lit up in the tank. So yeah, man, I'm excited about these dudes. And also picked up these guys. I don't know if you guys up on them, but they're called green crystal parrots. Beautiful guys. They have some, sorry for the glare, y'all. Chose the worst spot to do this, but they have like a nice green sheen on them. Amazing colors. Almost like a King Kafa flower horn markings. Beautiful. And last but not least, picked up a baby African Arowana. Check this guy out. Baby African Arowana. This dude is awesome, y'all. Check him out. I'm excited about this dude. So yeah, y'all. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, share. Tell me what you guys think. Love is love always, y'all. Squad up. Squad up. What up, my brothers and sisters? Your boy E-Money Cichlids on deck. Bringing you some new pickups. I'm excited because I've been searching on YouTube, because you know how we always do our little research. We pick up a fish, or before we buy a fish, we go online, go to YouTube, check out other people's setups, check out, you know, some information on the fish. And I was surprised I didn't see this fish nowhere. So I said, you know what, let me be the first to put it on YouTube. So I'm excited to put this fish out here. It's a new species. It's a beautiful species, and we're gonna check it out. So this right here, y'all, is known as crystal parrots, parrotfish. These are called crystal parrots. They like I believe, mixed with the King Kaffa flower horn, and they came up with this new breed. You know, they always mixing parrots and flower horns. They're coming out with all these exotic breeds, so I'm excited to show you these two gorgeous specimens right here. Check it out, fellas. For the first time on YouTube, check it out. Crystal parrots. Gorgeous fish. The bag is not doing no justice to them. I will put a clip of them swimming in the tank like I always do, but just wanted to give you guys an idea of what these guys look like, man. How beautiful. Obviously they look like parrotfish, but they have the markings of the flower horn of the King Kaffa. Beautiful fish, man. Check out all that crystal on them. So, you've seen them here first, y'all. Crystal parrots. Remember to like, subscribe, share. Tell me what you guys think. Squad up. Peace.
Let me check what this thing is charged. What were you saying?